Hello, welcome back subscriber. In this video, I am going to clear some of your doubt about the topic you can see here, non-protected programming exam cancelled. So I am going to clear you what is this and why you are getting. So there is a lots of the course which is programming courses like programming in C, problem solving through C, programming in Java, joy of computing, like that course. For that course, you are getting this announcement that subject name and the exam duration January to April 2020 semester non-protected programming exam cancelled, and the date you can see here today on June 3rd we got this, and here it is saying that hope you all are staying safe and well, taking in consideration of current situation due to COVID-19 pandemic and prevention action, we are cancelling the non-protected programming exam for this semester. So they are not going to conduct non-protected programming exam. So you may be in doubt what is the cancellation of the exam here and what is non-protected programming exam. So I will clear your doubts with all those materials what is available there. So first let me clear what the non-protected programming exam means. So let me first take you to about course. So I will go for any one course. So I will go for the course programming in Java. Okay. If you have already watched my previous video, then you may have clear idea about what is this and why this is talking about which exam cancellation. The exam for programming, the exam for the course is going to held. There is no at any difference. There is 3 options as usual. Those notification I have already posted video. You can check out and you can follow up. This is only difference for, you can see here the criteria for get certificate. So you can see here what are the criteria. Assignment score 25 marks, which you was doing or you completed weekly assignment. Okay. So in that weekly assignment they will consider those all pattern I have told. And the second option is on protected programming exam score is 25 mark, and out of that you have to secure some mark is also some criteria is there. So this exam, this second criteria exam they have cancelled. The remaining exam will conducted. So the next exam is, the last exam is protected programming exam. So this has 50% weightage. What they have done that they have cancelled this second category exam, that unprotected programming exam. So they have cancelled, and this is also termed as online programming exam. Somewhere you can find this as unprotected programming exam, or somewhere you can find it as online protected exam, online programming exam or unprotected programming exam. So this exam category has been cancelled, and this 25 mark is added to protected exam score. So now the protected exam score will be 75 marks. So there will be no programming because the programming exam has been cancelled. There you need not to code anything. There will be quiz or multiple choice, like those bits are available in your final exam. So for final exam there is 3 options. Either you can go for remote online protected exam, which is here already on the above. This instruction you can follow. Already I have made video on this. So there is 3 options. You can go with this remote protected online, or you can go for in personal protected. In personal protected means in fixed center like usual, or you can cancel the exam and you can get 80% refund of your fee and 20% cut off towards admin charge, and you will get one regular assignment a scorecard once you cancel the exam, and if you write the exam, then you will get the certificate, and those all criteria as the regular as usual NPTEL used to provide. So this is about what is I was telling that on protected programming exam cancellation. So now coming to the criteria, pass criteria, what will be the next past criteria, because the criteria is already changed. So let me clear you that. Here the assignment score, so already this is clear, there is no changes. At least you have to score 10 marks. If you have no 10 marks, then you will not get certificate. And the second is unprotected programming exam score and protected programming exam score. So this has been merged in one exam. So that will be conducted from June 12 to 21 through online, or if you want to take this exam on center, then that will be from 23rd to 25th June. Or if you want to cancel your exam, then you can apply till from today to till June 7, 10, 11. So you can apply for any of this option. You have to go and update. You don't forget to update. I will provide the next video how to update, how you can go and you can choose your mode of exam. You want online exam or center based exam, or you want to cancel. So those all I will, or how to select the city for examination. Maybe you are from AP and currently, not currently, you are from AP but you are studying at Bangalore. So due to corona effect, you are at home, so you can't go Bangalore and attend on that center which you had shared, which you had applied for at the time of payment of the course. So that's why the NPTEL is addressing your issue and providing you the flexibility to change your center. So you can go and apply. Those all those all things I will cover in one video and provide. Already I have provided one around 30 minutes video. You can check out and you can watch. There is full detail, but still I will provide one small video. So this exam has been merged, these two exams. So now the exam will be of 75 marks. You have to attempt 25 marks in 3 hours, and out of that you have to secure 40%. 75 marks is full marks, and out of that you have to secure 40%. That is 40% of 75 marks. So I think that is 30 marks. You have to secure 30 marks from 75 to pass the exam. So please you get prepared, and if you want to more additional information about question pattern, then you can go on my channel Deep Codec Guru and playlist. There is a playlist with name how to crack NPTEL exam. You can go there, check out, and you can prepare for the exam. I have already completed 12 NPTEL examination, and I have also secured the 3 NPTEL star. So I have a lot of experience related to NPTEL. So I am suggesting you, please you go on that direction and check it. Okay. So here this criteria has changed. You have to secure at least 40% of 75 marks. Right. So I hope you are clear now, and let me see what are the next there. You can see here exam will be of 75 marks, and final score will be average assignment score plus exam score, this exam score, and you will get the certificate. So that is all about non-protected programming examination cancellation. So what is this? I have already explained. If you have doubt, then please do ask. This is applicable for most of the programming language course. So please you first check out your announcement session. Is this notification is there or not? I can't tell you what are the subject, for that this is applicable. Once you check out the announcement session, then you can easily understand. And now let me also aid you how you can change those exam center or cancel your exam, or how can you choose your city, because you will feel lazy to go with other video. So first I want to ask you, have you subscribed my channel? If not, then please you subscribe my channel, so you will get the related video in coming days, and also next update, if any update from the NPTEL I will give you. I will also give you some free online courses, internship offer and webinar offers. Those all things I used to share regularly, so please you subscribe the channels. And I always used to give authorized message and authorized information, so please you subscribe it. So from here you can go and change your city. So you can click here, I have shown you. From where you have to click? From this link you have to click, and you will come here, and from here you can read out those details, when the exam will be conducted, for which date exam. So you can match from here and you can know the more information. And for change you can just click here, you can see here close date is this, so you do all those modification before this date BC. So this is all the option you can select. If you want to write on center, then you can select in-person exam and next, and you can choose also alternate. They will ask alternate option, either you want to cancel if the exam will not be conducted, or you want to write on center based exam, so you can select from that. And also if you want to write on center, then you select and next, you just tick here and you do next. And what are the process there, you go and follow, read and follow, because I don't want to show you those all things, because I want to write this exam. Once I do any mistake or if something will be happen, then I will not be allowed to write the exam there. And this day NPTEL is working with less manpower in the office, so even I will leave mail to them to fix the error, they will not be able to fix the error. You can feel the NPTEL is providing all information not on timely manner, we are getting by delay, so I don't want to take that risk. So please you just click here next and do submit, and you will get one notification here, your update has been successfully updated, like that you will get here notification. So this is all about what? All about this information on protected, non-protected or unprotected programming exam cancelled. So be sure that exam will be there for 25 marks. There is only second category exam is cancelled. And please you subscribe my channels, and please you also join the Telegram group of Deep Code Guru. You can get the link in video description as well as in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe channel. Please stay safe, stay happy, stay learning, and please get ready for NPTEL exam. So thanks again, thanks buddy, have a good time.